21, I'm number 2 car. We're continuing towards North Friendship. He is towards Cannon Drive. 21, right on Cannon towards New North Friendship. Any units up there on Blandville, get ready.
37, I'll be up here with Trip.
21, we're cutting back behind Banks Market. Back towards New Friendship. And we're back Lone Oak and Lakeview. He's starting to lose it. He's getting a lot of control here. Spikes were good. He's losing his back tires. Inbound on Lone Oak Road towards the interstate. Speeds are at 60. Medium traffic. He's driving pretty reckless here.
As Sergeant Cook of the Paducah Police Department readies his tire deflation device, the suspect fires at Sergeant Cook multiple times. One round strikes the glass of the cargo area of Sergeant Cook's vehicle, just feet from Sergeant Cook. It is unknown where the other bullets went.
21, he's starting to lose pieces off his car. He ain't gonna last much longer. Continuing inbound Lone Oak Road, speeds at 70 towards the interstate, passing McDonald's.
21, you want to try to finish him up here?
If he gets low enough speeds. Supervisor on the radio. Shots fired.
The suspect shoots out his driver's side window towards Corporal Crown. One bullet strikes the hood of Corporal Crown's vehicle and ricochets into the windshield directly in front of Corporal Crown. Luckily, it did not penetrate the windshield.
Shots fired. He is shooting back at me. We are continuing inbound Lone Oak Road, passing Lourdes. 21, shots fired, continuing to shoot backwards from the driver's side window.
The suspect again shoots at Corporal Crown. Corporal Crown's front bumper was also struck by a bullet, but we are unsure exactly when it occurred.
21, continuing Lone Oak Road, inbound Lone Oak Road towards Hannon Plaza.
Truck of vehicles enter.
21, he's on a rim, he's starting to lose it. All units involved, be ready. When he gets out, he's going to start shooting.
Shots were fired. He just hit my vehicle. 37.
As Deputy Bradley attempts to get into position to assist in the pursuit, the suspect also shoots at him. His vehicle is struck at least twice, one round striking the back door, missing Deputy Bradley by a couple of feet.
Hit my vehicle. 37.
21, I just rammed him. He hit a pole. He's still going. 21, wrecked down the house. He wrecked down the house.